guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Star. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys are all doing really well. Today I have a DT haul to show you. I know it's been a little bit of time since I did a DT haul, and so I'm back with another DT haul. So thank you so much for being here. And I did a big one, so I have it all down here, and I got some new things, so I can't wait to show you. So let's start with this item here. So I don't know if you guys remember, I did a haul about maybe a week ago on DT with the gray one that looks like this in this, you know, it's the same type of thing. It has like white in it. It's on my table right now in my kitchen, and it looks so pretty. It looks so beautiful. It does not look like it costs $1. So I decided to pick it up in the pink so that I could decorate for Easter, right? So I could put it's like a very spring color. They had like a beige color one, and I think maybe a dark brown if I'm remembering right. But I thought the pink was really a fun pop of color. It really looks really good on the table. It really does. And I just realized I bought the wrong size. This is an oval. Oh no. It'll work. I needed a circle one. Well, that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes, right, Sarah? So this is an oval one, but I have a round table. I think it'll work, right? Because it's 52 inches by 70. It might be a little short. It'll be a little short, but I am not going to return it. I think I'm just going to keep it. So darn, that's just, you know, I thought I grabbed the round one. That's okay. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys. It really is beautiful. I don't have the receipt, so I can't return it. So, because I threw away the receipt. I mean. So I'll just keep it, and I'll just make it work on my table. So like I said, it'll work. So I'll make it work. Anyway, here's the sizes on the back. There's the sizes. So yeah, moral of the story, Sarah, is check, double check, and triple check when you get a tablecloth from now on. I don't know how that happened. Anyway, okay. So let's keep moving on. You guys are going to love this, I think. So I have never seen this there before. Look at this. Speaking of tables, right? This is a party skirt for those tables that, like, I have a fold-up table that is in my backyard right now that I used for, like, you know, I have it, like, I put a tablecloth on it, and we use it for, like, to eat on. You know, it looks really nice. I have a tablecloth and everything like that. But when I have, like last year I brought it in when we had Thanksgiving at my house, and so and I put a really cute tablecloth on it. But now I can cover the legs of the fold-up table with this. Now this, I know at another store would cost way more, like at Party City or other places. It's a plastic table skirt, and I found it over by the, you know, paper plates, like the party section, but not like the, you know, kid paper plate ones, like party, not near there. It was over by like the solid color, like pink, purple, you know, the paper plates. That's where I found it. Anyway, I'm really excited about that. So I'll just zoom in a little bit more. Anyway, $1. I held back from buying more because I'm like, do I need more? It's like such a good deal. Then I found this. So now they've come out with this clear bottle or container, and that's pretty cool. And I checked it. The other one that is an awesome orange is also 32 ounces in that, you know, the solid color container. So it's apples to apples as far as it's just you get a clear container in this. I thought that was pretty nifty. And I love this stuff. I really, really do. And so like I said, you get 32 ounces. This sucker is heavy. This is heavy. So I love this stuff. I use it all the time. So I love it. So I was out, so I needed to get more. Then, sorry, I'll zoom in a little bit. Sorry if you can see it. You can see it better. Okay, then I got, this is new too. I got this for my husband. It's men's face and body wipes, and there's 30 wipes in there. So you know how like they had kind of like something like that for women, I believe? They have this for men now. I hadn't seen that. So I thought that was really cool, and I picked it up. So you get 30, and I wonder if it, I'm not going to open it, but I wonder if it has like a nice, you know, men smell like cologne-ish. It says with soothing aloe and vitamin E, remove dirt and grime on the go. And anyway, I thought that was nice to have, just something to just have in his, you know, in his bathroom. Then I picked up these for Easter baskets. So these are the Ninja Inflatable Pop Bag. That's like a tongue twister. Inflatable, I can't even say it again. Inflatable Pop Bag. Look at this. How cool is that? This reminds me of my childhood. We had these. So they're really fun and for $1. Amazing. So I picked up 2. One for my son and one for my youngest daughter. So really cute. I wish they had like a princess one or something, but they didn't. So I just picked up 2 for my daughter and son, my youngest 2. Then I got these cookies. These are really bright pink. I don't know if it's the lights, but these are really bright pink. I'm going to have to check my other ones that I buy because I buy these all the time now. These look like fluorescent almost. Yeah, I got to make sure that my other ones are the same color. That looks really bright. So these are strawberry wafers, and one of my daughters loves these. So these are good through best before. I don't see a date. That is strange. Best before. What? There's no best before date on here. It just has a lot number and a time, it looks like, when it was manufactured, but no date. Okay. That's 2 for 2 for me right now with these wrong tablecloth and possibly not sure when these expire. So, okay. All right. Let's keep digging in here and see what else we can find. All right. That I have to check on. Yeah. Then I found this. This is so cute. This is a felt garland. And it's all different colors. I hope you can see it's zooming in enough for you guys. Look at the back. It has different colors and it's gorgeous for $1. This is so pretty for like a birthday party. And I love garlands. I just love garlands. I could put a garland on every entryway in my house, like every doorway. I love garlands. Like I can't get enough. So this was $1. Beautiful. And it has like a little ribbon that you just string it through. It's going to be so pretty. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this, but I'll find a place. Like, I don't know. Is this like springy enough? I don't know because of the red. It'd be really cute for a birthday party, like, you know, your front door as like a welcome thing. So cute. Then I picked up, okay, you guys are going to be so excited about this one. This is, I found these. The Build Bonanza building block compatible pill and stick tape, and it works with Lego blocks and Mega blocks and other major brands. It's an as seen on TV item. I checked Amazon and they're running about $12.95. But okay, honestly, Amazon reviews had some like mixed reviews on this. So, but for $1, I'm like, that's fine. If it doesn't work out, that's fine. It had like I said, it didn't have 5 stars, 100% 5 stars. But like I said, I was just reading one seller. I don't know if other sellers had better comments. But anyway, I mean, not sellers, but the product they were talking about. And then, so this is, but for $1, I mean, that's amazing. So I got these for the Easter baskets as well. Again, I don't want to be too loud. I don't want my kids to hear me. But they're shapeable. You can cut to any size. You can do corners, curved surfaces, and I think I read on one of the Amazon reviews that it can take off paint. So I'm going to be very careful. We just painted our house, so I won't be putting this on our walls at all, like at all. So yeah, we had a whole thing with our house being painted. It had to be repainted twice, but there was a thing where the paint was mixed wrong, and it was just like this huge, like, it took a while to get the house repainted, and it's done and it's beautiful. So yeah, so we won't be sticking these on the wall. Then, so I picked up a total of, 4 total. So 1, 2, so there's again 1, 2, 3, and 4. So then I got, again, a repeat buy, the top ramen. Then I picked up, okay, you guys, these are so good. This is the 3rd bag I have bought. No kidding. 3rd bag. And I'm not a jelly bean kind of girl. Like, I don't really enjoy jelly beans, but these are so, like, I'm like salivating thinking about these. They're so delicious. They're like, it's like, you know, the sweet tarts, but it's so good. I had some, like, I had a bag already opened before I filmed right now. I had some. They're so good. They're so good. So there it is. So good. Then I picked up some razors. These look pretty nice. You get 5 in there. That's a pretty good deal, I think, for $1. 5 razors. That's a really good deal. And I mean, yeah. Then I got more batteries. Always use batteries. Then I got these Firefly Hello Kitty, another thing of toothbrushes. I just can never have enough of those either around the house. 3 for $1, amazing deal. And yeah, so 3 for $1. They're really super cute. The little wiggly handles, that's cute. So the last thing I got, this is new to me too. I've never bought before here at the Dollar Tree. They're fastener dots. So check that out. Isn't that pretty cool? So like, I was thinking like, cause my kids have teepee, 2 of my children have teepees in their room that we got off Amazon, and they're not like, they don't close all the way, and I could use that to like make them close, like so they can close the curtain on the teepee or anything, clothing. I'm like, that is incredible, because if I were to pick this up at another store, I know it would be way more than $1. Because I bought fastener strips for my daughter when I made her costume last year for a school project, and that was pretty, I mean, those weren't, it's not super cheap. So you get 30 and they're already done for you. You get 20 dots. 20 dots for $1. I found this over there by like the glue and like the arts and crafts, you know. So yeah, that is it for my DT haul. That is it. So I hope you enjoyed it. I know, like I said, I did get some really cool things. I really do. I think my most exciting find for this haul would be this, because like I said, if that's I think really gonna be a really cool thing. It's gonna look so cool in the Easter basket, like beautiful, you know, like it's very colorful. And then my second favorite thing is the garland. So yeah, are they calling that a garland? Yeah, felt garland. So yeah, thank you again for being here. I hope you enjoyed my haul, and I'll be back really soon with my next haul. So till next time, I hope you guys are all doing really well, and thanks again for watching, and I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye.